Excellent. Right. Today's date is July the 11th of the year 2025, 11:28 p.m. Central Daytime. District Court has opened session for expungement
I'm
proceedings.
in the courtroom.
Is there somebody whistling outside?
They are outside now.
Okay. Okay, officer, they may come in. Okay, thanks. District Court is now open and in session for expungement proceedings. The court will listen to Mr. Acne Onpot on consideration on whether an expungement of criminal record shall take place or not. Right, sir, would you please state your full legal name for the record?
Acne, ACNE, and then Onpot, ONPOT.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, if you just want to hang out there for just a second.
Right, Mr. Onpot, I'll again take a look at the charges. Right, and you only have one case, which is very good. And the charge, or the charges, reckless evading, criminal possession of a Class 2 weapon, and armed robbery. What makes you eligible for an expungement is that there is no report on those
There is
alleged
nothing.
crimes.
I'm telling you, it was not true, sir.
Yeah, so we're not here to discuss that.
Yeah,
We're
I know.
so if I ask you a question, then you may answer. On the charge of armed robbery, why should the court expunge your record?
Armed robbery. I don't even own a weapons license, sir. So therefore, I can't even own a weapon. So armed robbery, that is just way, out of my
Okay.
league.
How long ago did this incident happen?
Oh, I have no. It was so long ago.
You know
I went
roughly?
to jail for it. I did the time and everything, sir.
Okay. All right. I don't see that there is a pattern with you. Uh, the court is inclined to accept the expungement under the basis that there is insufficiency of the record itself. There's absolutely nothing on that record.
Mm-hmm.
And, well, obviously, no evidence, no recollection, no one to call, no one to talk to. The court will, however, to finalize, will address Officer Lawson here as to his own personal opinion as to whether the court should grant an expungement or not, and if so, I'm sorry, if not, why not? Can't hear you. Okay.
Yeah. So, from what I see, at least, kind of like you said, he had made a mistake there, but he's not a repeat offender. It wasn't anything too violent, too crazy. So, I mean, at least on our end, it looks good. So, I mean, I'm good to approve it.
Okay. No objection on the side of law enforcement, and with the provided rationale, the court is inclined to expunge your criminal background. Would you please at this time approach the bench directly in front of me? Okay. And would you confirm with me that the last three of your social security are 292?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Thank you. Very good. Court costs have been assessed. Pending payment for court costs.
All right, done. I'm sorry.
Very good. Right, Mr. Acne Onpot. This concludes the proceeding. Your expungement is being approved.
All
Do
right.
you have any questions for me at this time before we
No,
conclude?
sir, I do not.
Very good. Excellent. Thank you for your time, and the court wishes you the best on your new start.
Thank you. I appreciate you.
No problem. You have a good one.
Can you let me out, Mr. Officer?
Yep, I got you. All right, if you want to go ahead and come on up here to the stand, Mr. Young.
Hello there, Mr. Trey Young, correct?
Hello.
Hi. All right. District Court is now in session for an expungement hearing proceeding on citizen Trey Young. Mr. Trey Young, let's double check your case again. Go. So we have 4 cases. We have on the first one, we have no recommendation whatsoever, so that one becomes automatically eligible for expungement. There is a report, but there is no added charges. Reckless evading, felony possession of crack ×4, aiding and abetting, failure to yield, but that's on the description, not on the applied charges. It's kind of odd, but okay. According to IVX, the officer went to a drug-related report, saw 2 people who saw him, then they got into a car immediately and ran away. They ran and got into a different vehicle, ran into that one. This is so poorly elaborated. Then this suspect got thrown out of the car after a major car accident, and the other 2 suspects ran. This one was left there. He is in custody. That one becomes expungible. The following charge is in regards to criminal possession of a Class 2 firearm, robbery, misdemeanor possession of cocaine. I'm seeing a pattern with cocaine. I don't see attempting to the life of anyone. So this one is eligible as well for expungement. Next, you have evading, misdemeanor possession of fentanyl. I'm seeing a pattern with drug abuse or drug dealing. I have no further evidence other than summary. Jesus Christ. The last one, again, no narrative whatsoever, evading and trespassing. I'm inclined to make that one eligible as well. Mr. Young, you have the right to legal counsel. You do have the right to have an attorney present. Any answers that you provide me will be voluntary, not mandatory. If you do decide to give a statement, please bear in mind that any statement that you do give can be utilized only for the purposes of the expungement, nothing else. Do you have an issue with substance use, Mr. Young?
Any what?
Do you have a substance use or abuse, illicit substances? Do you have an issue with drugs?
Yes, I
Okay,
in the past I made a lot of drugs,
okay,
like getting caught, and
okay,
yes, I served my time for that.
okay. No, I understand that. Again, the answers that you provide will not be held against you for any reason other than for purposes of the expungement. Are you currently still addicted to illicit substances?
No, I'm not doing anymore. No, no, sir.
Okay. Have you attended any outpatient or inpatient rehabilitation programs?
No, I don't. No,
How long have you been using illicit substances for?
I used it for a little while, and I stopped.
Okay. Would you be able to quantify the amount in numbers?
I don't remember.
1 year, 2 years, 1 month, 5 months, 10 years?
I did it for like a month or so. Yes.
For a month or so?
Yes.
Right. Which of the substances were you mostly addicted to?
I was addicted to making coke and then making crack and then making the money. That's what I was using.
Making, but did you not consume them?
No, I did not.
Oh,
I
so
was
you're not.
making them for money.
Oh, okay. What do you do for a living now?
I'm doing gold panning now for money.
Okay. So you have no gainful employment?
Yes, and it's illegal. It's legal.
Well, you work at Lux, don't you?
Yes, I worked at Lux. Yes, I do.
Yeah.
I do bartending sometimes.
Yeah. That's what I mean.
Yes, I worked at Lux.
Okay.
We haven't been getting very much business, so.
All right. Yeah. I know what you're saying because I stopped by. But anyways, okay. All right. After hearing oral statements, the court believes that there is a pattern of drug paraphernalia, or at least a drug problem, whether it be selling or using. Statements made indicate that it was for financial resource gathering, but there is evidence to substantiate that he is employed within a legal establishment in the food and entertainment business. I am inclined to approve it with one condition, and that is that if any future drug charges ever come through, that will automatically render you ineligible for any further expungements ever. Do you understand this?
Yes, I understand, sir.
I'm sorry?
Yes, I understand.
Okay, very well. Before the court makes a final determination, the court would like to ask the opinion of Officer Leroy Lawson on his opinion.
Yeah, so kind of same thing. Everything looks good. It's been quite a while since you have gotten in trouble, so I'm going to assume that you stopped doing that and not just got better at hiding it or getting away. My only concern going forward is hopefully if you are in the entertainment industry, that doesn't cause you to get caught up in that again. So just be extra careful with that. But no, on my end, everything looks good. I approve it.
Very well. After hearing recommendation and no opposition, Court is inclined to approve the expungement. And at this time, would you please, Mr. Young, approach me right in front here of the bench, please? If you can come in front of me, right there. Thank you.
Okay.
And at this time, would you state your full legal name for the record?
Trey Young.
Right. And Mr. Young, would you also confirm to the court that the last 3 digits of your social security number are 723?
Yes.
Thank you. Cool. Whatever that was. Okay. Okay. All right. Court costs and fees have been assessed, and they have been submitted and invoiced onto you. Just waiting on you to finalize the invoice. Is there a problem, Mr. Young?
No.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Still
No
waiting
problem.
on court costs to be covered.
Oh yeah, you want me to F7?
Correct,
I'll
yes.
pay all that. There you go, sir.
Okay.
There you go, sir.
Very good. That is received, and your expungement is finalized. Congratulations, and the court wishes you the best moving forward with your new beginning and a new opportunity. Best of luck to you. Do you have any questions for me at this time?
No.
All right. Thank you so much. You have a good rest of your day. You're good to go.